Look at this. Ready?
How far?
11 feet without it bending. Fuck. So does mine. Oh. Jamie, you'll buy another gimbal when it comes out for 400. What are you talking about?
You bought a piece of plastic. Yes, he needs the gimbal right now.
Yes, can you please bring it? Because that could really be helpful right now.
I just got out of the shower.
Whoa.
Slick it back.
Look at that.
Going to work, going to Jimmy's. Gotta get ready.
Jamie, look into the camera. I don't want to look at this ceiling.
Working in the we're in the shop right now. Working in the shop. Another late night at the shop. Hey babe, I'm not coming home. Another late night at the shop.
That's what Chris says. Can't go home. I'm at the shop still.
I'm at the shop right now.
Working on the boat.
All right, so they gave us 12 screws, nuts, washers.
Dude, you know what I want tonight?
What do you want?
Pizza.
Not ice cream?
Ice cream too, pizza.
Rich Farm?
Do you want to go to Rich's Farms?
Kinda. Okay, line that up where it belongs. Double check our measurements. I'm gonna get these two in to hold it in place. And then we shall screw them all in, or drill them all at least. Okay, now we're held in place. We have 12 screws. We already got 2 in. We need 10 more. Where should we put them, Ben? I went to McDonald's today, 10:30, 10:15. I was like, you open yet for lunch? You got my McChickens? We don't know, but for lunch, another 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take this off real quick, Ben, so I get all the shavings out from underneath. Clean it up, put it back on, bolt it in. Get all the shavings out.
Why is there so much?
I drilled a lot. You know, I'm not gonna lie, dude. For carbon fiber, this is kind of heavy. I thought it'd be lighter.
Now, did that come with bolts?
Yeah, stainless steel, everything. Doesn't rot. All right, so I got all the nuts and bolts in. Tighten them up using the drill because it's faster. You gotta hold the other side with the Allen wrench there. So Ben helped me out. Got all 12 in. The only thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drill a hole through here and here because those mount through into the car. We gotta put these support bars on. And so these go like this. So you gotta drill into here and drill into the bumper, but to be able to drill through the bumper, we have to take this little plate off. For that, I believe, is just some plastic pins.
Everything's plastic.
These days, everything's plastic. Boom, 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 boom. And this is what hits your bumper when you get in a car accident. Some people put them here. No. Some people put them here. No. Some people put them this way and that way. I think they should go straight up and down in the middle.
What do these actually do?
These are support bars. So when you're going really fast, you know, the wind's pushing down on the front bumper, this holds it up.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
But all those bolts don't hold it up.
No, not enough.
Not enough. You need this.
Gotta have this. You can measure from here to the other inside point. We're looking at, who am I kidding? This is impossible. Okay, so I'm a little bit afraid of the bit wanting to walk. However, I don't want to use a center pinch on this because I'm afraid of it cracking something. Okay, little bolt in there. Hey Scarlett, how you doing? Don't worry, we'll get you back together. Okay, now we're tight, which means... Now the question is, how the hell are we supposed to drill these holes?
Alright, well let me know when it's done.
Yeah, let me know. Yeah. I'll have my people call yours. Yeah. He's on the phone with his dad right now. Hello? Yes, sir. Yes. Very serious today. Yes. My car's gonna be all done and ready just in time for winter. Put it away. All right, I'll tighten this up. All right, last thing, just tighten these. Oh, I gotta tighten that one up. All right, so I got them all installed. We're gonna head for a ride, get some drinks, get Ben happy. Pizza acquired. Okay, pizza break is over. Splitter is on. That pizza was horrible. Never going there again. So, splitter's on. It looks awesome. perfectly centered, right, Ben?
Good.
Time to do the grills. Let's put the grills in. Grills, I imagine, apparently, I think they just clip in. I'm not really sure. We gotta figure this out. These clips are really hard. What are you doing? What are you doing, puppy? Huh? Come on. You gotta stay over here. All right, so you gotta just pry these clips and pull the grill out at the same time.
16 hours, dude? You can't have, like, sleeping.
Woo! Got her off. That was hard. That sucked a lot. I hope I like this new one because it's gonna suck if I take it off again. There we go. In. That's the new lower grill with the splitter. Oh, I'm in love.
If Lola was a human, what would she look like?
I don't know, dude. What kind of question is that? I don't know. This is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. It really hurts my fingers. There we go.
I think it looks pretty good, dude. I like it.
Oh, that looks pretty sick.
Meaner.
Looks like a race car. Bring it in close. Why don't you grab it from the middle, and then I'll hook up the lights. Okay, now hold it right there.
Yep.
Don't move anything. Okay, we gotta bring it up, just like that. And it sits on, there's 2 pins. There's one here too. Mine are in.
Mine are in.
Okay. High five. Yeah.
Thanks.
I see, the thing is, I don't trust a mechanic working on my car. Because all I gotta do once, lean over, scratch something on their belt or something like that.
You call that out.
And
You
then-
gotta replace it all.
Okay, now bring it to the paint shop. The paint shop paints it, and now there's overspray on the back.
Now
I gotta bring the detail shop. It just never ends. They're called hood struts.
Hood struts.
Yeah. Because here's the deal. What happened with mine? Your Jeep might be different. There's 2 bolts that hold the hood on to the hinge, right?
Yeah.
So you have to take one out and one loosen. But when you do that, now the hood can move. It throws the hood off alignment, and now your lines are off. It took me a half hour to get the lines back where they're supposed to be.
Really?
Yeah. So these little guys gotta go back in. These were a pain before. It's the worst part about the whole job. All right, she's in there. Now, a couple push pins.
Buy it all 3.
Lock gas, no one takes it.
No, because I don't want people putting shit in it.
No one does that anymore. It's only in movies. Then you have to unlock it every time you want to get gas. What's Jamie gonna say when he sees the car, Ben?
You know, you see, Jim, now more stuff can hit
Yeah,
the
see, now I don't know why you did this. So we got that clipped in. Now we gotta do all the little push pins underneath the car. Oh, get in there. There we go. Okay, so quick update. I'm about 2 bolts away from finishing this whole project, and I just realized that I forgot to put in that piece. This piece over here goes inside the bumper, between the bumper and like the actual bumper. Back to assembly. We got the thing on. It literally took 2 seconds to clip it on. Now I have to do all the bolts and pins and everything else. Okay, so finally got all that done. Last but not least, put this cover back on, and we are done. Ben, last pin. Do you want to do it? Done. She's done.
Go inside.
So we lost our lights trying to figure out why. It turns out that Ben forgot. So now I gotta go back under the car. Luckily these are easy pop pins. And look, there they are. All down here working nice. All right guys, well here you have it out in the daylight now. A little dirty, the car, don't mind it, but damn, that thing looks awesome. I'm loving that. That is just a really sharp look, I think, with the car. Wow, it's nice. One more thing to clean now. That's it.